The Bolec WL601 low water level alarm is a 1224 volt low water level alarm kit designed to protect your engine from catastrophic failure. If the bottom hose of your radiator bursts, there will be a rapid loss of coolant. In this scenario, there may be no visible steam and your temperature gauge will read normally because the sensor is not immersed in coolant. In this scenario, there may be no visible steam and your temperature gauge will read normally because the sensor is not immersed in coolant. The Bolec WL601 will sound an alarm if the coolant level falls below the coolant level probe. The signal that goes to the coolant level probe is AC, or alternating current. This prevents electrolysis and a material buildup on the probe. In this demonstration, the WL601 Bolec low water level alarm has included a 7-second slosh delay, so if you are driving around a winding mountain road there will be no false alarms. Another thing to note is that this device is not limited just to radiators in a vehicle. This device can be used to monitor the level of drinking water in an RV or four-wheel drive, and it could also be used for irrigation applications to turn on or off a pump when the reservoir reaches a certain level. Importantly, the low water alarm can be used for catch cans for diesel fuel systems, and you can use it in plastic tanks, but you will need 2 probes to complete the circuit. Contact Bolec Electronics for further information or visit our website.